brings a lot of things: warm weather, sunshine, time by the pool, and your kid getting sick.
Yeah, doctors at Norton Children's Hospital say there are still plenty of viruses that you can catch, that your kids can catch, even in the summertime. Jim's here in the studio with us right now. Jim, you mentioned in the last half hour that more parents are raising more concerns about this.
That's right, especially when it comes to the kinds of viruses that are floating around. Dr. Chris Bryant with Norton Children's Hospital told me that's because more parents know more about different viruses that are out there. And you can really thank COVID-19 for that. Dr. Bryant says that 4 or 5 years ago, if you took your child into the hospital and the doctor said, it's just a viral infection, it'll run its course, you would more than likely have just said back to him, that's right, it's a viral infection, it'll run its course. That would be that. But COVID-19 made more people aware of the viruses that are out there. They started listening to health experts, reading up on things like rhinovirus, enterovirus, adenovirus, these common types of respiratory illnesses that we actually see and experience all the time. Dr. Bryant says now a lot of those conversations don't end at, it's just a viral infection. They end with, well, which viral infection is it?
In the pandemic, I think the public, acquired a lot of new knowledge and new language about talking about infectious diseases, and that's good, really and truly. Some kids are just going to have a virus that's going to run its course. A lot of kids don't actually need viral testing, but we are seeing a lot of parents ask for that testing.
Dr. Bryant says that many of those viruses that we do see this time of year are something that you can catch any time of year. They usually cause things like the common cold or croup in young children, bronchitis, things like that. Now, Dr. Bryant says that if you have any questions or concerns about when you should take your child to go see a doctor, just give your pediatrician a call. They should be able to help you out with that. Eric?
All right, Jim, thank you. This comes just in time for you to schedule those back-to-school wellness checks for your kids. Kentucky and Indiana school systems require physical exams for certain ages, as well as yearly sports physicals for all athletes. Norton told us earlier this week appointments are already filling up for the end of July through the beginning of the school year. So you'll want to schedule your appointments as soon as possible.